Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, latteloverlena. It's been a while since I've last posted, so I just wanted to update y'all on what's happened in my life. Recently, I went to a friend's wedding, which was held outdoors, and the event venue was so beautiful, and it was also super fun to celebrate this occasion with a lot of my church friends. The weather was amazing, and I loved seeing everyone dress up so nice after such a long time. After the wedding, we had about a week to pack all of our stuff because we were moving into our new apartment. Here's just me packing up all of our kitchen stuff. And I've been working at my current job for about 2 months, which has been such a great experience so far. Here is the before of our new apartment, and I'm telling you, me and Lauren fell in love with this place the first time we saw it, so we signed that day. On our move-in date, we had some of our friends come to help and also build some of our living room furniture. Thank you so much, guys. So we had the church guys build that, and the console table is there. So getting out her comforter. Lauren's cats were also a bit afraid when we first moved, but now they act like they own the place. It didn't take me too long to set up my room, but then I got a new bed frame from Amazon, which I now love. As many people know, Ikea is the holy grail for people who have recently moved. We came here to just purchase anything we might not have, like this cute welcome doormat. Here's me arranging my large closet and putting out my 12-pound weighted blanket. I've also been cooking more now that I'm working at an office to pack some of my lunches, and I've been watching so many home decor videos which inspired me to change out our futon blanket to a futon cover. Now that I've caught y'all up on my life, let's get to the new apartment tour. Hi guys, welcome in. This is my apartment. Okay, so first here we are in my kitchen. My roommate and I really fell in love with this kitchen because if you just look at all these appliances, they're all new, modern, and who doesn't love new modern appliances? If you come closer over here, we have our hot water boiler, wine opener, and my roommate's oven / microwave thing, which is really cute. I just love these little jugs for waters or drinks whenever people come over, or whenever we just want to add some ice and like juice. It's like the perfect container. So cute. I thrifted this one, and I got this one from Ikea, so I love it. And then coming on over here, we have our living room. So of course, the whole idea of the living room was to make it cozy and warm. And what do you think about the living room, Lauren?
It's very homey, very like cozy.
Yes, we just like the minimal decor, kind of the whitewood, Nova Scotia kind of feel. We got this from Wayfair, that from Ikea, as well as a stool from Ikea. Just have a couple of like thrifted pots just for like these decor. And this is Lauren's little cute llama. Just a little personality. I can also show you our console table, also from Wayfair. Love Wayfair, so affordable, cheap. And I think I got this from Home Goods or TJ Maxx, some type of store like that. I just wanted to make it really simple. A place to put our keys, which we actually do use quite often. Thrifted this little shell piece, thought it was really cute, had a lot of personality. And I got this from Target, so I really liked the color. It's like a bluish, kind of like reminds me of a sea glass. Put some dried flowers and some magazines and a book of Proverbs. Love it here. We're gonna show you to Lauren's room first. So here we are in Lauren's room. And Lauren, you can add whatever you want to say about your room whenever. I love her room because She has like this minimal, like kind of like the Korean minimal aesthetic, very soft and pastel colors. You can see she has this beige comforter with purple accents. Purple is one of her favorite colors. Lavender to be specific. And it just opens up to her mirror. And she has a bunch of flowers from her boyfriend. Shout out to Michael. Just gonna put it up eventually along with some portraits and like pictures, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so we can go show you her bathroom. Yeah. So her bathroom, super simple, clean, minimal, very useful. Both of us have these drawers down over here where you could fill in a lot of stuff. And so we both thought it'd be better to just put in whatever we wanted. And then that way it can just make it really simple and clean. And it goes down to her shower. And then it opens up into her closet. So Lauren color-coded everything in her room. Love it. And I think we both put our shoes in our closet just to make room in front of the apartment because it's kind of more shorter space there. But yeah, just cute. All right. And then we'll head on to the next room. All right, and so right over here, kind of from the living room, we have our laundry dryer and washer. It's really nice to have this because in our previous apartment we didn't have it. We had to walk to the shared one, which is okay, but there's a lot of hair and everything that you don't want to share with everyone. So sit here, and then I'll move on to my room. So my room, I still have a lot of things that I want to do. There's Milk, and Soy wants to be in the video too. They just love me, you know. But yeah, I just kind of wanted that kind of naturey, beige, boho kind of feel. I still have a lot to decorate. This is kind of like the basics of my room, but I love the light that comes out. And I'm just gonna add more accents here and there and more plants eventually. And not to say the least, but I love this little shelf thing, a shelf ladder that I got from, I believe, TJ Maxx. It was nearby our home, and I just thought it'd be really great to showcase any decor pieces or just hold any books that I might have. Which you can see, I don't have a lot of books because I don't read, but I love this right here. And finally, move into my large closet. This is kind of the reason why, like, we bought this place, because this closet is ginormous, to say the least. Well, kind of messy because I still have a lot of things to organize, but I love how much space there is and how I can organize all my purses and my hats and bags. All of these clothes are, I think like 50% is like thrifted mixed with things that I've bought over time. So yeah, this is my closet. And finally, I want to show you my bathroom. So this is my bathroom. I have the tub because Lauren doesn't really take baths, so she offered me this bathroom. And I was like, sure, why not? I love these little wooden thing I got from Amazon. It's great when you're taking a bath and you want to put your drinks. You have the same one?
I bought it.
What?
I bought it when we first moved in here.
Oh my gosh.
Same shampoo.
This is why we're roommates, guys.
Yes, we're gonna smell the same.
But yeah, this is the bathroom. I really love the tiling. Just very simple, clean. And then I just love wood accents as well as green accents. So I just thrifted this for like $2. It's just, I think it's like England or something from a long time ago. Very cute, and I just thought it suited the peaceful and calm atmosphere of my bathroom. I also got this from Amazon. It's like a little tray that you just put your essentials or just perfumes like I did. Thrifted this little candle holder somewhere, and I just put in a cheap candle there. And then, like Lauren, I also tried to just fill in everything in these large cabinet spaces so that the countertop would be clean and mess-free. And we just try to keep it really clean and really useful, and whatever we use more often we'll put on top of the counter, and whatever we don't use we just put away. So kind of the whole theme to our apartment is to just make it really clean, comfy, minimal, and useful.
I didn't really like the outro that I recorded, so here's just me enjoying my apartment. reach everyone. There be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.